Welcome back to Gadget Nest, your home for the latest and greatest in tech. Today we're diving deep into one of the most anticipated smartphones of 2025, the Google Pixel 9 Pro. Is this truly the best flagship of the year? Let's find out. Design and build. The Pixel 9 Pro introduces a brand new design language with slimmer bezels, a curved edge 6.8-inch Quad HD Plus OLED display, and an adaptive 144Hz refresh rate. The back features a matte finish with Gorilla Glass Victus 3 and a polished aluminum frame that feels premium yet durable. And yes, it's IP68 water and dust resistant, as expected from a true flagship. Display. Google went all in this year with a peak brightness of 3,000 nits, making it one of the brightest displays on any smartphone. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or just browsing social media, this OLED panel delivers vivid colors, deep blacks, and incredible sharpness. Performance. At the heart of the Pixel 9 Pro is the brand new Google Tensor G4 processor, paired with up to 16 gigabytes of LPDDR5X RAM and 1 terabyte of UFS 4.0 storage. This chip has been designed with AI at its core, meaning faster processing, smarter battery management, and industry-leading AI-driven photo and video capabilities. Camera system. Now, let's talk about what the Pixel series is best known for, the camera. The Pixel 9 Pro features a 200 megapixel main sensor, a 50 megapixel ultra-wide, and a 64 megapixel periscope telephoto lens with 10x optical zoom. Thanks to Google's advanced computational photography, you'll get sharper, brighter, and more detailed images than ever before. Night sight, portrait mode, and cinematic blur have all been upgraded. Plus, you now get 8K video recording at 60 frames per second. Software and AI. Of course, no Pixel is complete without Google's software magic. The Pixel 9 Pro launches with Android 15, optimized for 7 years of software updates. It also brings new AI features like real-time live translation, AI-generated wallpapers, advanced call screening, and smart summarization tools. This isn't just a smartphone, it's your personal AI assistant in your pocket. Battery and charging. The phone packs a 5,200 mAh battery with support for 100-watt wired fast charging and 50-watt wireless charging. Google claims you can get up to 65% charge in just 15 minutes, perfect for power users. And with improved efficiency from the Tensor G4, battery life has been extended to a full 2 days of use. Extra features. Other flagship features include in-display ultrasonic fingerprint scanner, face unlock with 3D depth sensing, stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos, Wi-Fi 7 and 5G ultra wideband, and for the first time on a Pixel, satellite connectivity for emergencies. Conclusion. So, is the Google Pixel 9 Pro the flagship killer of 2025? With its powerful Tensor G4 chip, incredible cameras, stunning OLED display, and next-gen AI features, it's definitely one of the strongest contenders. But the real question is, would you pick the Pixel 9 Pro over the iPhone 16 Pro Max or the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Gadget Nest, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our latest reviews and comparisons. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.